God served me so. No more will I stitch, no more will I sew. My thimble and my needle to the winds I'll throw, and I'll go and live